Today is November 4th, 2025. We're collecting acorns from this wonderful old evergreen oak tree. And this is the first step in the collection process. We're looking for healthy, recently fallen acorns. And I come here every other day or every 2 or 3 days. These acorns from this tree, they do very well around here. These are the acorns we collected, and we see 2 of them are floating, which means they need to be discarded. And we also have some that have holes in them, pinholes in them, and these are also damaged and they need to be thrown away. We need to surface dry the acorns, so we let them sit outside like this. We're ready to put the acorns in the refrigerator. We put them in a plastic bag, and we take a wet paper towel and we take out all the water and we put it inside the plastic bag. We also put a note in there, noting the date and the location we connected the acorns. Then we take a fork and punch holes in the plastic. We want it to breathe. We punch 8 or 10 holes to allow the acorns to breathe in the refrigerator. We want to keep them refrigerated for the next 2 to 3 months, and every 2 weeks or so we check them to make sure that mold doesn't develop, and we hope for the best. Last year we stored acorns in wet sand, and this is what happened. They all sprouted. It's nice to see them, and they stayed alive all summer long, and I didn't have the heart to throw them out. These are the acorns we collected. Last year we collected these acorns. They're nearby. The oak tree is nearby. It's about 2 blocks away, and we see that this young oak tree is very healthy. All we did was dig a hole and plant it, nothing else. This is the essence of our effort. We simply take seeds, put them in the ground. In this case, we place the acorn on the northern side of this pine tree. It is very easy to plant the acorns. If you're planted right next to the pine trees, you come to the northern side of the pine tree and you dig a hole and you drop in the acorns. In this case, we're going to put 2 of them. You cover them, you mark the location, and I don't have seeds with them, but usually I put in small seeds like arugula or alfalfa, and they will grow and they will mark the location, and also they will provide additional shade and support for the young oak trees. Trees grown this way are very, very strong. That is it. Good luck to all of us.